What's up, YouTube? It's Josh.
And Skylar.
And we're back with another video.
So we're gonna do mukbang.
Mukbang.
And we got Crab Kings.
Crab King. We got a place down here in Tupelo called Crab Kings.
It's our first time trying.
It's our first time trying this. Before we get started, make sure you like, comment, subscribe down below. Tell us more things you want to see for us. If you want us to try something, we'll try it. If you want to see us eat something, anything, make something, we'll do anything y'all want us to do. So,
okay, I think we're ready to get started.
Oh, they look so good. Look at these crab legs. Oh my God, they put it in a pan.
Yeah, they put it in a pan for us.
I love shrimp. Oh, look at that right there.
We got some boiled eggs. Oh, we got boiled eggs, snow crab legs, corn, shrimp, potatoes, and sausage. And really, these are bigger than the Madden crab ones, it looks like.
And potatoes too. Oh, that's so good, y'all.
Really?
Man, yes. Woo, that's so good.
I think I'm gonna
Look at
grab
the
a
sausage.
potato.
Oh, you grabbed the one I was eyeing, boy.
Smells
It tastes so
good.
good. It's that good.
We're gonna eat for a minute, and then we're gonna watch some fails on YouTube. And y'all, he is so extra when he laughs. So if he just
Good. We got some lemon. Very little lemon. Put it on that shrimp right there. Oh, that looks so good.
we got like 3 clusters, and then they gave us like a whole bunch of shrimp and everything.
Sausage corn. Hey y'all, before we go on foot, it is so crazy. She don't like seafood.
I eat the sides.
She don't like seafood. She'll eat the mess out of some corn potatoes, but she won't eat shrimp. And she won't eat crab legs. I let her try it. She told me she don't like the taster or anything, but
Did they only give us 1 corn? Oh, they gave us
tell her why you don't like it, boo.
the texture.
And she think because she had one bad experience with shrimp, but I think she ate some bad shrimp one day and she got sick, and ever since then she haven't ate any.
Is there any sauce on the bottom?
Yeah. You gotta move it. You gotta eat some of the stuff to move it. Hey, look. But I'm gonna enjoy the seafood. She's missing out. She must be gonna eat the sausage, corn, and potato, and eggs. We have eggs too, but she is missing out. And she do like cracking my crab leg for me, even though she don't like it, but she do that for me. I'm gonna taste the sausage. Man, it's jump big.
I know.
Oh my God.
It look good too.
Oh, I'm gonna bite it. Put some of that sauce.
Okay. Good.
So y'all gotta go check out King Crabs. Crab Kings in Tupelo. It'll be over here.
It's not that spicy, which I like. Like, it's like just the right amount of spice, because some seafood places, they be way too spicy. Like, you can't even enjoy it.
This is good. Woo. Come down. Crack it to the crab legs. Oh, they look good, boy. work that. Can't believe you don't like this.
Nasty.
No, it ain't nasty. I recommend y'all go get some. If you're nearby or ever in the Tupelo, or have one in your city, yeah, you know what we're talking about.
So do you think you like this better or Mountain Crab? This?
This.
I think so too.
I wasn't that expensive as Mountain Crab was.
Yeah. It was about the same.
Hey, I love lemonade, y'all. So good. One of my favorite drinks. The corn good, boo. She love corn, y'all. She can. That one thing she would tear up.
Only thing I don't like about corn is it gets stuck.
Yeah, too.
That's the only thing.
Well, they robbed me. I did meat now.
You don't know how to crack them.
Yes, I do. Look at all that meat right there. Y'all see that? Open that bag up.
That's why I put it here so you can put your stuff in here.
I know, but I forgot.
Bless you.
Thanks. Oh, look at that. I did good with that one, but sauce.
A family feud funny moments.
Oh,
You want to do that one?
yeah. I love Family Feud.
Yeah, we watch Family Feud all the time.
Triple, ladies. Top 4 answers on the board. We asked 100 women. Fill in the blank.
You already lost.
This ain't no trial out the last one. He ain't even asked the
He didn't
question.
even ask the question. She zapped it.
She said, that was really not good. Does she have to give an answer? So, give an answer.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Okay, here we go. Fill in the blank.
knows
I
she's
love
bad.
firemen with big what?
Packages.
Oh.
So packages.
I love firemen with big packages.
Fireman? That what you said, fireman?
Neither one of them got it.
Jason.
Hoses.
Oh, we good. No
All
more.
right, guys, here we go. We got top 8 answers on. Just gonna win like that. Stone, just ask when you want to.
No.
Ain't scared to tell ain't gonna beat me on the bus, I can tell you that. We got top 8 answers on the board. In horror movies, name a place teenagers go where there's always a killer in the house.
The closet.
In the woods.
Who said in the house?
Give me an accent. Give it to me.
Do you say now?
Yeah.
I thought you said a horror movie.
Hi. Sorry. I'm behind the scenes for a reason.
Huh?
Okay.
Oh my God, you've never heard of this show, have you? White bag is a triple. Top 4 answers on the board. This is a big one. Someone good with it. Name something you hope is as beautiful on the inside as the outside.
Was he just bad?
She nervous, man. She's so nervous. Look how he
My
looking.
sister.
My sister.
That's sweet.
Potatoes, a lot
That's
of
not gonna be
potatoes.
up there.
A person. Oh, a person.
It's a double. We got
Really?
top 7 answers on the board. Name something a doctor might pull out of a person.
A baby.
A gerbil.
What?
A dribble. Look how you looking. She said a dribble. What is that supposed to be? A dribble?
That's an animal. Like a hamster. Why would they pull a hamster out of
Oh,
somebody?
she said a dribble.
Yeah.
I heard you said a dribble.
Yes, she said.
Uh,
Just right out like that. First thing, bam, gerbil. Just like that. First answer. Oh no. Bam, gerbil. Just like that. Hold up. I've heard of this. Hey, over here, over here. Gerbil. Gerbil. Name something a doctor might pull out of a person. Bam, gerbil.
Steve
I
Harvey.
couldn't be on that show. He talks so much stuff.
He don't make it no better.
Gerbil.
No, I wasn't up there.
He don't make it no better.
A baby. A baby.
Bang.
That wasn't number 1?
Point values are triple, fellas. We got top 4 answers on the board. Here we go. Name a word that rhymes with yummy. Hummy. Hummy.
Honey.
Really? I can't believe I got you a whole trash can.
Hummy. Oh, man. Hummy.
That's alright.
Name something that dries up when it gets old. Grant. Asparagus.
What did you say?
Asparagus.
Look how look how he looking. This thing all over there.
Asparagus.
Look. They really gave it to him. Look at Steve.
What?
Look how you looking.
He walked him back to his station.
I'm so sorry, sir. Please, yes. You knew that. But it's up there though. But you knew. Oh, but it's up there.
Look.
I know.
He said, I'll tell that towel of you.
Just tell me the truth. I don't want any problems, Mr. Harvey. I don't want any problems. I just don't want to be in trouble, you know? I don't want to be in trouble. Okay. I'll take full responsibility. I was 100% wrong. But in America, it's on asparagus. Family show you think this is 100 people they talk to. If the letters asparagus had popped up on that board,
I swear.
I would have shot myself. Tracy, give me Hannah, give me Salvador.
Look at his shorts.
Salvador, you letting them have it today, huh?
Right, look at. It's hard to kill me on this show. They make it so much funnier.
Alright, here we go.
So y'all, that was a little mukbang we tried to do. We're gonna get better at it, so.
I think we did pretty good and my mama came in.
We did pretty good, yeah.
But the camera's about to cut off. It cuts off at 25 minutes. So if you like this mukbang, be sure to give it a big thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Subscribe. What are you doing if you're not joining us?
Okay.
Our camera cut off at 25 minutes like I said it was gonna do. But until next time,
I'm Josh.
and Skylar.
We out.